Hello everyone, welcome back. My summer 2021 Fabfitfun box has arrived and we are going to open this up and see what I got. I've once again partnered with Fabfitfun for this video, and as usual, I'm going to go through everything that's in my box and give you my honest opinions. I did customize my box, and something that's really exciting about this season, for the first time ever, annual members can customize their entire box. For those of you that might not be familiar with Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription box. And in each seasonal box, you receive full-size makeup, fashion, and lifestyle products. These are not little sample sizes. They are full size, and I have discovered so many amazing new brands in this box, and I've gotten products that I didn't even know I needed, and they're things that I now cannot live without. My mother signed up for a subscription a few seasons ago, and she's told me how happy she's been with her seasonal boxes. So if you live in the United States or the UK or Canada and you would like more information about a Fabfitfun subscription and the different pricing options, then please click the link in my description box. You can also save $10 off your first box by using the code that I will have on the screen as well as in the description box. So I think it's time to get started showing you what came in my summer box. The first thing I want to mention is how much I love that Fabfitfun has gone to more sustainable packaging. The box you receive will be dependent on the size of the products that are arriving in your box, instead of everybody getting just this huge box. Now, if you've never received a Fabfitfun box before, when you get your box, the first thing that you will find when you open it is the Fabfitfun magazine, which will have information about all of the products, as well as some interesting articles to read, the charity that Fabfitfun has partnered with for that particular season, and you'll get the retail prices of everything in your box. All right, so the first thing in my box is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. This was part of the customization. I selected this product, so I was really excited to see this as a customization option because Dr. Brandt is just such a great quality skincare brand, and I do suffer with congested skin. I don't break out nearly as much as I used to, thank goodness. But a product like this a couple times a week really keeps my skin in check. It keeps my pores clear. It also has salicylic acid in it, which is another chemical exfoliant, so it will help slough off dead skin cells. So everything else you use, like serums and moisturizer, they can sink in so much better, therefore they will become more effective than if you were applying them to a dead layer of skin. Some of the other options that I could have chosen were the Ciate London Watermelon Dewy Setting Spray that retails for $22, the African Botanics Shimmering Gold Body Oil that retails for $65, a Sensuals Vitamin C Serum for $45. So there were lots of really good choices there. I just knew I wanted to try this. In the intro, I mentioned that through having a Fabfitfun subscription, I've received products that I didn't even know I was missing out on in my life, and I probably would not have gone out and purchased them on my own. So this next item is something that I think will fall into that category of something that I would not have purchased myself, but I'm going to end up loving and wondering how I didn't have it sooner. This is the Society 6 Wine Chiller. So cute. I really needed this because I like to drink wine, and I like to drink wine outside, and I live in Las Vegas, and it is very hot here, as I'm sure most of you know. So this will be perfect for me to take out to my seating area and pop that bottle of wine in and have a nice evening outdoors. And this wine chiller retails for $45. Well, $44.99. And some of the other customization options in that category were the L-Space tie-dye towel that retails for $58, the Society 6 Outdoor Blanket, a Virginia Woolf multi-wear wrap that retails for $60, and I almost chose this. It's the Summer Fridays CC Me Serum that retails for $64. I have not tried anything from Summer Fridays yet, and I have heard such good things about the brand, so I was torn. I was thinking, do I need another skincare product, or do I need the wine chiller? I needed the wine chiller. So customization is great, but it's not as easy as it sounds. Sometimes you have to choose between some really good options. Next up is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. This has an SPF of 40. I have used Supergoop sunscreen for years, so this was a no-brainer. I knew I had to get this in the box because I go through sunscreen like crazy. And this Unseen Sunscreen is one of the best on the market. And this retails for $34. You can use this under your makeup and it won't mess with the consistency of your foundation. This does not have a white cast, so if you wear this under your makeup and you do some flash photography, you're not going to have flashback. It sinks right in. It works for all skin types. I cannot say enough good things about this sunscreen. Oh, look at this. I did receive the Ciate Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. I bet this smells like watermelons. Let's see. It does smell like watermelon. Oh, that's nice. And it has niacinamide in it. Niacinamide and watermelon extract. And for those of you that might not know what niacinamide is and what it does, it is a form of vitamin B3. Niacinamide can minimize redness and blotchiness. It can help reduce the look of your pores, the size of your pores, as well as regulate oil production. And this product is cruelty-free. Up next are these Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. It says they brighten, hydrate, and depuff. I love a good eye gel, especially before a big event, a night out. I really like to look extra rested, so eye gels are fantastic for any special occasion, or if you're just going to do a spa day at home, these are amazing for that. So you get 4 individually wrapped masks. And the hero ingredients are cucumber, which contains vitamin C, rose extract, reduces and soothes irritation, green tea is rich in antioxidants, and hyaluronic acid, which retains water to keep skin well, lubricated, and moist. And it looks like these eye masks are part of a bundle that retails for $49, and the other item in the bundle is this, or these. They are Kate Spade bar socks. And no, not the bar where you go and get a martini, but where you go for exercise. Bar classes are really, really popular. I've never taken a bar class before, but I really want to, and now I have no excuse because I have the socks. Oh, these are interesting. They open at the top. I have to admit they're very comfortable. Heck, even if I don't take a bar class, I'm gonna wear these around the house. I like that they have these gripper things on the bottom because my house is mostly tile and hardwood floors. So having these grips on the bottom makes walking around those types of floors a lot safer. And the final item in my box is this moisturizer from Tarte. This is called a drink of H2O. It has a very clean spa-like scent. This product offers 12-hour hydration. It also contains hyaluronic acid, algae, and squalane. I'm really looking forward to trying this moisturizer. I think it's going to be a great one for me over the summer because I do have more oily skin, and then in the heat it tends to get even oilier. So I will update you all on this product, especially with how it works under my makeup. It feels a little sticky at the moment. We'll see. The stickiness might be a good thing because it might grip on the foundation better, but yeah, I'm gonna have to update you on this one. Some of the other customization options in this category were a Millie jewelry case that retails for $60, a Draper James ruffle nightie that retails for $48, Way Detox shampoo and scalp massager with a $40 retail value, a Sonics Bluetooth speaker with a $45 value, Ray Dunn guac and salsa bowls with 2 wooden spoons, also with a retail value of $40. Okay, well that is everything that came in my summer 2021 Fabfitfun box, and I will definitely be reaching for the sunscreen all the time. I can't wait to try this cleanser, the setting spray, the moisturizer. My wine chiller is definitely going to get used ASAP. So don't forget, if you would like more information about how to get your own Fabfitfun seasonal subscription box, the link will be down below in the description box, as well as the code for $10 off your first box. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. I do try to upload new content at least twice per week. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter under the same username. It's all Risa Does Makeup. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.